morning, fam. It is 4:17. We thought we'll vlog today's workout, and maybe our camera doesn't want to vlog it today, but yeah, I'm gonna vlog our workout today this morning. Starts off with a bit of pre-workout, some creatine. Actually, I don't feel like getting up right now, but it is, nearly 20 past 4. Class starts at 4:30. And a little bit of a rush, kind of. But, yeah. Let's get some pre going.
Good morning. Anyway, have you told them?
Yeah, they're all, here you go.
That what?
They're all vlogging today's workout.
Oh. Today is the first day of a little challenge that we're doing with our family.
With our kids.
With our kids. So me, Lou and the kids have decided that starting from today until Christmas. So today is, what is the date?
That's a fantastic question, everyone. Today's the 8th of September.
Today's the 8th of September. And we've decided that because our family eats a lot of takeaway. So we've decided that we're going to, what are we doing?
We're going to try and eat better.
We're going to try and eat better. We're going to try and work out twice a day, even if it's just walking twice a day.
You gonna get your sticky thing?
My what?
Sticky thing for the back of your phone?
Oh,
no.
I don't know. Do you want it?
Yeah, I think it would be good, don't you think?
I don't know where it is. I think I lost it.
Oh, you should. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Anyway.
I'll grab the water.
Huh?
Yeah, I got the water. You wanna grab the keys?
So that's what we are trying to do. So we're trying to eat. Oh, we're not allowed to eat takeaway. We're not allowed to eat junk food. Yeah. But we're going to take you guys to our gym session this morning. And we'll see you guys there.
So we don't have a light for our phone here we're recording with, but just leaving, and it's what time is it now? 22 past 4. Our class is at 4:30. So you all good, darling? Yeah, that's very distracting, isn't it? But yeah,
I got an itchy throat.
She has an itchy throat. So all the little excuses start to come through early in the morning, but yeah. She didn't have an itchy throat yesterday. She's feeling it today, so just look after yourself, mate, okay? Anyway.
Yeah, we're trying to do this challenge with the kids.
Yeah. Trying to keep ourselves accountable, so yeah. Trying to stay fit, reasonably fit, and feel better about ourselves and feel better in our skins. It's probably within our own skin, which is the most important part. So, yeah.
And last night we booked our fares to Wagga for Christmas.
That was a very expensive one-way flight we've paid so far. So, yeah.
We're only going to be there for the public holidays, so that's why we're like, okay, let's do a challenge with the kids where we can all try and eat better, and then when we see each other we can have a good meal together, like a yummy meal together. Hey.
Yeah.
And so I think us vlogging is just trying to keep ourselves accountable. And I really want to just lead by example, and try, like, if we can try and eat better and we can try and exercise, then the kids will follow, kind of thing.
Follow suit, yeah. So, anyway, on our way to the gym, it's only about a 5-minute drive. And yeah, I don't like being late, but usually when I come off this one to the gym, we always just rocking up like 1 minute left or right on when it's just about warm-up time, so yeah.
But the main thing is we get there, okay?
Yeah, main thing is we get there. Okay, righto. There's a guy on a scooter. No headlight. No, come on, mate. It's the streets of Boulder. Oh yeah. There's my driver. Oh, she's yawning. Come on now, wakey wakey.
What are you thinking?
What'd you say, Danny?
What are you thinking?
Just want to start the day good. Like it's cold, still cold here in September. Still got the fireplace, had the fireplace running last night. So we'll start it back up tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow. Oh my goodness. After the gym. After the gym. After the gym. Holy shit. Yeah. Nah, I just want to get this workout done. Still finishing off the bathroom. That's a forever. Oh, goodness me. I get annoyed when people ask me now, oh, how's your days off? What have you been up to? And all I ever say is, my bathroom. My bathroom. Yeah. That's all good. What are you thinking, darling?
I don't want to be the first one to fail the challenge.
Yeah. So the challenge is, no takeaway, no chocolate, well, dark chocolate, no fizzies, none of that stuff. So we got this, just willpower. Willpower. Have you got the willpower, woman?
No.
So yeah, I have to walk into our class, and looks pretty full actually.
You're cutting half your head off again.
And I've got the shakes here. Yeah. I don't know what it is. I always get nervous recording in front of people, but yeah. This is our gym, guys. As we go to that right there. Yeah. Come with us to a Fitstop class.
Morning.
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 Morning. Just vlogging for our workout, keeping ourselves accountable, eh? Yeah.
Well, smile then, girl, smile.
Yeah, she's
Gotta
happy
be
to
real.
be here.
It's gotta be real.
Yeah. So yeah, she's keen as. Let's go, darling. You happy or?
No.
Morning. Har du get fucking second?
Now that we've gotten there, try and maintain it as best we can. Then we have some conditioning elements and then all of the finish up, as you can see.
So usually during Fitstop, we start off with warm-ups. Show you our warm-up. Yeah, start off with our warm-up, and then they go through and they explain like every exercise.
What's that? Are you asking?
No, I'm saying because you got your mic on.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm saying that usually with the Fitstop workout, you do a warm-up,
Yeah.
and then they go through and like
Go through the
explain.
exercises. Yeah.
Back the other way.
You're a bit close to me.
I ain't complaining last night when I was close to you. Not the snotty nose. So.
Yeah, I'm already getting silly.
Huh?
I'm already getting silly and it's just a warm up. That was meant to be a push-up. Fucking push-ups.
Oh no.
This is actually my first workout back. I had last week off because of my wrist. It's amazing the excuses you can come up with.
I want to go home. I want to go home.
Hey?
Jävlar det fall.
Yeah?
I want to go home.
Loving a warm up.
Good week, guys.
What?
I was saying how weak I feel. Well, you got your. This is your highest, isn't it? Capture it on the
Pretty sure.
on the vlog while you can. Three. That's it. Two. One more. Hey, money in the bank. Good. Well done.
Hate these
Nice
fucking
work.
tights.
That's what happens when you're not prepared, guys. You know what touch you don't like, so the night before, be prepared. Isn't that right, my love?
Shut up.
6. Second or third time that Sophia's had to explain it. Oh, good. Thank you for that, Sophia.
So what are
All
we
right.
doing?
So we just get our cows first on this together, and then we work through the workout together. I'm going to do the synchro butterflies too. Sit up.
So 12. So 6 each.
Yep. How's that feeling, mate?
Freaking hate this. I hate the freaking back.
Sorry.
Get out of the way.
Get out of Kai's way. How's that?
Yeah, 6.
6. Because she's a midget, I'll have to raise it up a bit.
And then it's sumo pull.
Sumo high pull. I count on you.
9, 10. 19, 20. Yeah. Butterfly synchro.
Yeah, 15 to 20.
2,
3, 4,
6, 7,
let's go.
8,
We're 15? Yeah.
Okay. Now we're doing the. What are we doing? 100-meter run?
Yeah, car park, yeah. There's fast, there's. Make me look fast. Watch out for the pothole. Yeah. Let's go, come on.
Yeah, okay, mister. Not holding the camera.
Could have just lifted it. Hold on. Good work, my love. My least favourite thing. My least favourite thing to do. Bloody well.
Guys, 1 minute to rest, guys. No, every 5 minutes on the minute, you do it all over again. Right. So it's like you got to rest minute, kind of.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's up, Nikki?
Freaking hate running. So that's the what?
2 parts done.
Second block,
Yeah.
third block to do. And then there's a stupid finisher.
Yeah, there is. Oh yeah. The burner. So we burn most of our calories at the end of the class. Oh, 5 minutes of it.
All right,
Let's go.
going to the next station.
Come on, one.
That's so embarrassing vlogging. But this is for our journey, so
Let's go.
good work.
Let's go.
Whoa. Oh, and then it's swap, is it?
Yeah, swap. Four reps first. No, you're adding 2 reps. 6, yeah.
It's a freaking finisher.
3 burpees to plate and then 15. The changes. Yeah, pumped. Let's go.
Sick. Sick, where are you doing it? We've done it yet.
5 minutes, last 5 minutes.
I hate burpees.
Let's go.
Okay. Three.
Oh shit.
15.
3, 1.
finish the 12 rep round.
That's a killer. Thanks, Sophia. Nice work.
People.
Right.
Good job.
Nice work. Tough, Nikki. Back. Tough guy. Nice work.
Fit.
Good work. Nice stuff.
Good job. Good job.
Done.
Lou wants a photo.
Let's take a photo. Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Jeez. Good stuff, my love.
Look at that. Stop at nothing. Right.
It's pretty cool. To go gym. Been here since October or November.
See you guys.
Cheers. Have a good day. Cheers in the morning.
How did you feel? This misfit over here. How did you feel? I honestly felt like I was starting all over again.
It was just the 5 minute. The finisher was a killer, eh? Yeah. But it was good. It was just the last 2 sets I couldn't. I just managed to finish the 12 burpees.
Yeah.
And then it was time to go down again for 15. Yeah.
Oh, I went into I was still doing the 12 burpees going in when you guys had started the 15. And then
Yeah, but it's your wrist too. You need to get wrist support.
I honestly can't use my wrist as an excuse because it wasn't really hurting just then.
Yeah, but you still have to. This lady doesn't listen. But she wants me to go to the doctors every time I'm feeling a little sore.
Oops.
Because what's your reason? It's because I have a high pain
Laura
threshold.
has a high pain threshold.
Yeah, but it doesn't
so
matter. She's had a sore wrist
he
for ages.
When he actually hurts, then there's something wrong. But with me, I have a really low pain threshold. So the
Yeah.
littlest, I get a splinter and I'm dying. So
Yeah.